Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix smiONE app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the smiONE app. If it's not work you have to fix it. Okay, so the first solution is to click and hold it here. Then you have to click on this I button. Okay, then here you have to scroll down and see for the storage section. Click on here, then click on the clear the data, and then you have to open it again. If it's worked then fine, if it's not worked you have to check for update. Just you have to go to the google.com. Okay, then it here you have to directly search for here at sim1. Okay, then here you can just search for smiONE app. Just click on here. So here you can see the smiONE app. Okay, so by here you can update it. So by this way you can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.